Welcome back. So I believe by now you've made up your mind which area you want to focus on after this course. In this video, we'll be looking at objectives of this um, Build Excel template course. What are the objectives and what are the learning outcomes of this course? Our aim in this course is to equip students, you, with the skills to design, develop, build, create, and optimize Excel templates for various business and personal applications. So the objective is very simple. You're able to develop an idea, design it, create it, optimize it, for your personal use or for the use of your client and your workplace. And so learning outcomes here, we are looking at 5 areas in terms of learning outcome. Number one is you master Excel fundamentals for building templates. It's not everything in Excel that you need. There are some things you need to know on Excel, some functions you need to know to enable you to build this template. Then design custom Excel templates. If you have any situation based on the industry you work in, based on the work you do, you can customize Excel templates to enable you to achieve those work. You can create automated workflows. Workflows in the sense that input, processing, data management, and then output. How do you manage data entry in an organization? How do you analyze data? And how do you give reports? You can create all these things using Excel template. And you can also optimize template performance. You want it to be very fast, you want it to run pivot report for you, you want it to run a more than one calendar year report for you. So you can optimize the performance of the template. You can use VBA coding, you can use macros to optimize the template. You can use dynamic formulas, array formulas, different functions to ensure it perform optimally well for you. And then you learn how to implement and customize templates for real world applications. Now, for Excel fundamentals, we'll look at the Excel interface, basic data entry and formatting tips, essential Excel functions, data organization and management, working with tables. We have what we call Excel tables, data validation and conditional formatting, basic charts and graphs. Then we'll look at pivot tables and how you manage workbook and worksheet. So this is the first learning outcome from this class. The next one is design custom Excel template. What are the requirements to design a template? How do you structure the template? What is the plan for the template structure? How do you set up the workbook to work? How do you design the data entry sheet? How do you apply formatting on the template? Which of the cells and sheets do you want to format? Then how do you incorporate formulas and functions to optimize your template performance? Then how do you add conditional formatting, to help you with your logic in your template? How do you create interactive elements like clicking, linkages like hyperlinks and the rest of them? How do you build summary sheets and reporting sheets for your management, for your users to look at? How do you customize your dashboard for visuals? Test the template, then you document and keep instructions like to do. Then how do you protect and share the template? So that is the second outcome of this training. The third outcome is to create automated workflows. Understand the tasks to automate. What are the pieces of tasks you need to automate to achieve the desired goal of a template? How do you learn basic formulas and functions? Use Excel built-in tools for automation. Explore Excel advanced functions. Create and use macros. We'll teach you how to create simple macros and use them to run your template. And you test and refine your automation. When you test and it's not giving what you want, or you can modify to get more optimization for your template. So that's the third learning outcome of this class. The fourth learning outcome is to optimize template performance. How do you use efficient formulas? It's not every formulas you apply on your template. The more formulas you have in your template, the more bulky it becomes in terms of the megabytes. So you need to find the best formulas to use to optimize that template. Then how do you create efficient data validation? Like you have drop down list. Drop down list helps you to define what kind of data input will be on a particular cell. Then how do you manage data efficiently? Then use of advanced formulas for performance, limit use of formatting, optimize workbook settings, clean up the workbook, use of charts, then macro and VBA for optimizations. Then the last learning outcome is implement and customize template for real world applications. So after your class, you need to go out there, you need to go to your office, your workplace, look at the situation, find solution to them by creating logic, getting ideas, concepts, for that template, design the logic, and you map out the workflows, what relates to what tables relate to what tables. You create simple solutions for complex problems, create a database to manage those data, and you choose simple and universal functions to deploy in your template. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.